In this lesson, I'm going to show you how you can make an interactive whiteboard lesson with an already existing document. So I'm going to open up my Google Drive. In my Google Drive, I have a folder called Lynx, so it's easy to find what I need in here. So I'm going to open up that Lynx folder, and I'm going to open up my calendar math slide. It is probably going to convert it to Lynx. So it's a file you can interact with in Lynx. Once that's done, it'll open up the slide. I won't be able to interact with it quite like I do in Google Slides because I'm not in Google Slides, but I'm going to show you how I can put interactive pieces over this background. So here's my calendar that I was already using in a different application, and now I can change it so that I can have pieces that I want to edit and have my students interact with. So first I'm going to put a little arrow here. So we can select the seasons. I want to make sure that it's editable while presenting so students can manipulate it and change it if I want them to spin it around. I can write on here the month because that's not something we're going to change every day, in the year. So this would be on my background kind of when I'm in present mode. I can, let's see, I can add a piece that I want to move for each day of the week. I'm going to add a star here, and we can just move the star to whatever day of the week it is. For my 10 frame, let's make a shape that will replicate, that students can move to position into the 10 frame. So I'm going to tap that, and I'm going to make it replicator. So it'll stay here, but I'll be able to drag like infinite cloner, like in Smart Notebook. I want to make sure that this star is editable while presenting, so we can move it. If I want to pre-select the numbers, I'm going to do in my number triangle. I can do that here. So students won't be able to change these numbers when we're in present mode, but they can see them there. I could do the same thing that I did for the seasons with the clock and create arrows that students can spin by tapping this green circle. When you touch the shape, a green circle pops up that allows you to rotate it. For the money section, I'm going to insert some images. We'll do a penny. I want to choose that one. And then let's do a nickel. We'll just focus on those for now. When I'm done with that, I just click the image search again and it'll go away. I can resize these to the size I want. We're just going to stick with penny and nickel for now, but I do want to replicate those so we can do as many pennies and nickels as we want when I'm in present mode. And we'll go with that for now. So then when I go to start presenting, I hit the hamburger button and then click start presenting. I have my replicated coins here that I can just drag in. I can move the arrow if I need to. I can move this because I made it editable in present mode. And this is the replicator. Now from here I can also write on here So I could say it's December 7th. I can change the color of this pen as well. It's Tuesday. I can make my tally marks. You get the gist. So it's anything that I would do if I was creating it from scratch, I can do right over the template I already had that I was using. It's just a couple things that you need to add, and your students can interact with it.